Hi, this is Nicole with Butler-Davis, and I wanted to give you 5 best practices while working in QuickBooks. First, let's talk about the privacy mode. Here you see in the top right corner here, there's a private mode button you can turn on and off. Turn this on to hide your profit or loss, your bank balances, and total amounts on this page. This is very helpful when you're working out in public, at an airport, at a coffee shop, somewhere where you don't want to show sensitive information. And turn it off when you're working alone and you kind of want to see all the numbers as you're working. So that's the privacy mode, on and off. Next, let's talk about duplicating screens within QuickBooks. Now, I love this feature because it allows me to work in 2 different sections of QuickBooks at the same time. So, to duplicate the screen, you simply go up to the tab, right-click, go down to duplicate, and now I have 2 screens to work with in QuickBooks within the same company file. Let's see, on this tab I want to go to the sales screen. On this tab I want to go to reports. So now I have reports on one screen, sales transactions on another, and I can kind of work on a transaction level within QuickBooks on this screen and then run the reports to see how those transactions affected those reports. The next tip is zoom in and zoom out. You can easily zoom in and zoom out by pressing Control plus to zoom in or Control minus to zoom out. So depending how big you want your data or how small you want it to get more of the information on one page without scrolling, you can use this feature by simply clicking Control plus or Control minus. The next tip I wanted to give you is on dates. So right now we have a date of January 2016 through June 22nd of 2016. To change the date, we use just a simple letters such as W for the first day of the week, K for the last day of the week, M for the first day of the month, H for the last day of the month, Y for the first day of the year, and R for the last day of the year. So let's go back and try that in QuickBooks. So for week, let's go up a week. So we use K for the end of the week. And it's based on the actual dates in the month. So if we go up a week, or we can go back a week with W. And let's go back a month with M, or up a month with H to the end of the month. So M is the first of the month, H is the end of the month. Now let's go to year. Y for the beginning of the year. Let's go back another year, 2015. Now let's go to the end of the year with R. It takes us to the end of 2016, 2017. Let's go back to the beginning of the year and up for the end of the year. So we have the full 2015 year here based on using the letters W, K, M, and H, and Y and R, and all correspond to the first letter and the last letter of the week, month, or year. The last tip is calculations. So let's go into a journal entry, and you can actually calculate an amount directly in QuickBooks without pulling out your calculator. So let's say we want to add 2 transactions, 100 plus 350. Tab over and it calculates the total for us. This is very helpful if you are working within QuickBooks and you need a quick calculation. So 100 minus 50, and it calculates the amount for us. So those are 5 quick tips that you can use to make QuickBooks easier to use. Again, this is Nicole Davis with Butler-Davis. Thank you.